Hey guys, I'm just editing this video on how to get Netflix for free, and I didn't realize but my microphone was turned off during the entire recording, so I've had to overlay a voiceover. So if you find that annoying, you can skip directly to the tutorial by going to, I'll put the timestamp along the bottom of the screen. But yeah, apologies once again for the audio, but enjoy your free Netflix. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've not seen my videos before, you're probably thinking, who is this guy? Well, today guys, I'm going to be showing you a new method on how to get Netflix for free. And that is what I do, guys. I try and save you money on anything I can think of. Today, guys, I spent the last few hours trying to find a working and legit method for a free Netflix plan or subscription, and I've managed to find a super easy method. Like I said, this is going to get you Netflix for free, and this is a 12-month premium subscription, so all of the HD content, and this is a simple promo code that you can redeem on the Netflix website, and it's going to just credit you the 12-month subscription. So this is the easiest method, and all you need is your mobile phone. So that's what I'm going to be using today and showing you guys how you can get your free Netflix. So let me record my screen. Grab your mobile phone, guys, and follow exactly what I'm going to be doing here. Open up an internet browser on your phone and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com, speedy coupons, and this is the website you need to navigate your way to. It's pretty easy, just make sure you follow what I've just done there. This website, guys, as you can see on my screen, has more than just Netflix. They have tons and tons of different pages, all designed to save you cash. But if you go to the search bar, this is how you can navigate your way to the Netflix page. Just simply type in the search Netflix, and it should come up here, Netflix plan codes. So click on that page to open it up. You can see these coupons are limited, but they do replenish these codes pretty often, so don't panic. Now, there is a couple of different options here, guys. You can get a free 12-month standard plan for Netflix, or you can get a free 12-month Netflix premium plan. Standard is basically standard definition and no real HD content, 4K content, I suppose. The premium one is pretty much the one you're going to want to go for, guys. So yeah. You can also see this has been rated 5 stars, so lots of happy registered users. So click on show coupon next to the one you want. Obviously the premium plan is probably the one you're going to want to go for. And it's going to come up here that's basically, this is a 100% off code for a 12-month Netflix premium plan for completely free. So you can see, guys, it says Netflix, and then there is a bunch of stars after it. Essentially, guys, we need to unlock our code. You can imagine these Netflix codes are pretty desirable, and people actually create bots to steal all of the codes because they can resell them on the internet. So this just ensures that the codes are safe, and each person can only get one code, because there's no reason why you'd need 10 codes per person, for example. So when you tap this unlock code button, there's going to be some instructions on the next page that you need to complete. It's super easy. It takes around 5 minutes. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions, and you're going to have to complete a couple of free tasks. And once you've done those, it's going to unlock your code. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then once I've fully completed the next step, I'll return and we can see if it gives me my free Netflix code. Okay guys, so I've just completed these steps on that page, and I made sure I just completed 2 tasks, fully completing them, following all of the instructions, and now it's brought me back to this page here. So if you've done everything correctly, when you hit your tabs button, you should see this Netflix coupon codes tab here, that when you click on it, yes, it's now released my code. So this is a simple promo code that I can redeem on the Netflix website in the redeem code page, and it's going to credit me a 12 months Netflix premium plan. Pretty easy, guys. That is all you need to do, and it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. You just have to make sure you follow every single step and instruction, and yeah, you're gonna get your free Netflix for 12 months. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button if you did. Go to Speedy Coupons to get your free Netflix plan. I hope you have a fantastic week, and subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.